Navigating the aftermath of a head-on collision can be daunting. Head-on collisions are some of the worst accidents that we see here at Armada Law. It's important that you take the following steps if you've been in a head-on collision. The first step after a head-on accident is to make sure everybody's safe. If you're able to get out of the car, get to safety. After you get to safety, call emergency services, call 911, get the police and get the ambulance on their way. And once everybody's moved to safety, gather as much evidence as possible. If you're able to, take pictures, take videos, especially of the front of your car where the impact happened. Many times in head-on collisions, there's a dispute about liability. Getting witness statements, taking videos, taking pictures is going to protect you down the road. Go to the doctor, go to the hospital. If you're hurt, especially with a head-on collision, it's always our suggestion. If you feel anything, go to the doctor. Your body's in fight or flight. You might not know exactly what's wrong with you because you're in self-protection mode. So go to the doctor. If the EMS says we should really go get checked out, go get checked out. Insurance adjusters might start calling you. You might start hearing from a really nice adjuster who wants to give you $1,000 and get you to sign off your case. Please don't do that. I cannot tell you how many times I've had clients who unwittingly signed away their entire case when they had real injuries. And unfortunately, we couldn't help them. We couldn't get them any compensation. So if an insurance adjuster calls you, tell them no. Tell them to wait. Tell them you're going to the doctor and you don't know what's wrong with you yet, because within 24, 48 hours, you're not sure yet. So take your time. Do not be pressured into signing anything from an insurance company right after a wreck. At some point in this process, call an attorney. Don't call us, but call someone. Head-on collisions are complex. The legalities of a head-on collision are complex. A good attorney will be able to protect you and your rights. Again, don't call us, but call somebody. Get your rights protected. If you've been involved in a head-on collision, you don't have to call us, but call somebody. We're here to help. You're the hero in this situation. We're simply the guide. So if there's anything we can do to support you, please don't hesitate to reach out.